Hello, today I'm going to show you an effective acupuncture point for dim vision. The dim vision miracle point has been a closely guarded secret for centuries and does not show up on usual acupuncture charts. Today I will pull back the curtain and show you how to locate it. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, and herbalist. I'm certified in Acupoint Physical Medicine and Pet Acupressure Therapy. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally and want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. The dim vision miracle point is located on the back of your thumb. To find the dim vision miracle point, locate the middle of your thumb joint, right over here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the dim vision miracle point. Activate this point by rubbing the ear quickly 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or you can use a Teishin if you have one. A Teishin is a spring-loaded acupuncture instrument that can be used to treat acupuncture points and trigger points without the use of needles. And it might look like this. And here's another view. Now find and activate the dim vision miracle point on your other thumb. If you want to sharpen your eyesight, I suggest that you find and activate the dim vision miracle point 3 times a day for 30 days for fast results, and then use as needed thereafter. Now I'd like to show you my video on cataracts. I've put it up here. Check it out.